Welcome back to 2i Constructions and to Module 6 of our course, How to Become an Effective Batching Plant Quality Control Professional. In this module, we'll explore one of the most important topics for any QC engineer or plant supervisor: the concrete batching plant approval process as per Saudi Aramco Engineering Procedure SAP 383. Before we go into the process, let's first understand, what does batching plant approval actually mean? Batching plant approval is the formal process through which Saudi Aramco verifies and qualifies a concrete batching plant, ensuring that the plant, its equipment, personnel, materials, and documentation all meet Aramco's strict quality and safety requirements. Once a plant passes the qualification process, it is listed in the Saudi Aramco approved batch plant list, allowing it to produce and supply concrete for Aramco projects. This approval guarantees that the concrete produced is consistent, traceable, and fully compliant with ASTM, ACI, SASO, and Aramco standards. The purpose of this approval is to ensure that all concrete supplied to Aramco projects is produced from plants that maintain a certified quality management system QMS, typically aligned with ISO 9001, and follow Aramco's operational, testing, and documentation requirements. The process applies to both permanent batch plants, commercial or central plants, and temporary or project-based batch plants located at construction sites. The approval process involves several key Aramco departments and stakeholders. BP and CTU Batch Plant and Coating Technology Unit responsible for technical evaluations. PID Project Inspection Division overseeing inspection and compliance. VRC Vendor Review Committee, which reviews and endorses approval decisions. Construction Agency CA, the contractor or plant owner requesting the approval through the CRM portal. Let's go through the approval process step by step. Step 1. Submission of request. The construction agency submits a formal request for plant approval via the Saudi Aramco CRM portal, attaching all required documents such as QMS certificates, calibration records, trial mix reports, and staff qualifications. Step 2. Desktop review. BP and CTU reviews the submitted documents to verify completeness and readiness for inspection. Step 3. Initial plant survey. A detailed technical and quality inspection is carried out. Inspectors evaluate equipment calibration, storage and handling of materials, laboratory setup, documentation and records, personnel competence and certifications. Step 4. Review by Vendor Review Committee VRC. The inspection findings and recommendations are reviewed by the VRC, which makes the final decision to approve, conditionally approve, or reject the plant. Step 5. Inclusion in the approved list. Once approved, the plant is officially added to the Saudi Aramco approved concrete batch plant list, granting permission to supply concrete for Aramco projects. Approval doesn't end with certification. It continues through ongoing monitoring and reassessment. The plant's performance is monitored monthly and quarterly through reports and KPI evaluations. A full reassessment is required every 5 years or sooner if performance issues arise. If nonconformances are found, a corrective action report card must be submitted and verified. Plants that repeatedly fail to comply may face suspension or removal from the approved list. Let's differentiate temporary versus permanent approval. Permanent batch plants are long-term facilities supplying multiple projects, while temporary plants are site-specific installations approved for a limited duration, usually 1 year. Temporary plants must either obtain permanent approval or renew their temporary approval before expiry. For a plant to qualify, the following key documents are typically required: Quality Management System Manual ISO 9001, Equipment Calibration Certificates, Mix Design and Trial Mix Reports, Material Test Certificates, Staff Qualifications and CV, Lab Test Records and Logbooks, and CRS and Corrective Action Reports. Proper documentation supports transparency and ensures a smooth approval process. To summarize, batching plant approval is the official verification process that ensures your plant produces high-quality, standard-compliant concrete for Saudi Aramco projects. It covers every aspect, from documentation and technical inspection to monitoring and reassessment, ensuring that only qualified plants deliver concrete to Aramco sites. In the next module, we'll cover initial survey and trial mix approval, explaining how to prepare your plant for inspection and qualify your concrete mix for production. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 2i Constructions for more expert insights into concrete quality control and Aramco standards.